dummy and you have to do it in the air. So I'm also going to go over a couple pointers of what you're doing. This may actually be easier to see what you're doing. Now, obviously you're not going to be having the feedback that you're using the dummy for, but hopefully you're at a point in your development in your own personal practice where you're starting to understand how the body unity is coming together. All right, and how you're using arm, body, and legs together as one single structure to make the techniques and the motion ultimately happen. So, let's start off from the very beginning. All right, from here, line ourselves up, open up into Ichikiyama, come forward to Jungsao. I shoot the Jungsao forward, and from here, I come in, and I lap, and I chop. And from here, I come in, and I'm going to do a palm strike and pull. Now, notice my elbow doesn't come back this way from here, but my elbow is actually coming inward as I do that. Now, I'm going to be doing Bong Sao. I do a 3-angle step, Tan Palm, backwards brace, Ganjam, roll, do Tan Palm again with the 3-angle step, backwards brace, Ganjam, Noi Quan, Jut Palm, double jut, double pow. Now, if you notice when I do the jut, my arms are coming in, and when I do the pow sao, my arms are going forward. So I'm always staying within this triangle when I'm doing that ending motion. I am not coming down with that, and I'm not coming up with that when I'm doing the double jut and the double pow. All right, be sure that you are executing those motions correctly, because you don't want to develop it incorrectly when you're doing it on the dummy, and then ultimately in any practice you're doing. Because if you're doing it incorrectly on this training device, you're going to do it indirectly when you're working with a live person. So that's the first half of section 1. So after I do double jut and double pow, I circle the hands back. Now my right hand's forward. I shoot the triangle forward, Jungsao, and I come from here, and I lap chop again. And you notice again, my elbow comes in as I do this pull and palm strike. Bong Wu, 3-angle step to the Tan Palm, backwards brace, Ganjam, roll, Hoi Quan Sao, 3-angle step again, backwards brace, Noi Quan. Now I'm doing jut, I'm going to be low palm, and I come from here, double jut, double pow. That's the end of section 1. So if you have any questions, always please feel free to ask. And I hope you can add this to your practice, doing the dummy, but now doing it in the air. Let's say you're on vacation somewhere, or you just want a little change of pace, a little challenge for yourself. Do the form without actual contact onto the dummy. All right, good luck.